It's Gary Auto Care again. Right now I have CX5 with overheating issues. So I'm going to pressure test if there is any leakage on hosepipe, radiator or engine block. See, according to results here, there's no any leakage. See, so the problem is not the leak. So maybe it can be the radiator cap. See, the final culprit is the radiator cap. When you look around, there's not any leakage. So I'm going to test the radiator cap, and this is the gadget I'm going to use. This is the kit I normally use to test the radiator cap. So I'm going to compress that radiator cap to see if there is any leakage. That so the radiator cap is okay. So here I'm going to put the AC on to see if the fans are working, because the next aspect is fans. See, the fan 1 is not running. The fan 2, let me show you the fan 2. The fan 2 also is not working, meaning the problem has a problem with fan. So I'm going to scan this vehicle. Let me go and shut off the AC. So I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. And here is the main fault code. The fan 2 has a problem. See, the fan 2. So the problem is the fan 2. So I'm going to trigger that fan 2 on live data to see if those fan 2s are going to run. See, let me trigger 80%. See, the fans are not working. The fans are not working. The fan 2 is not working. So I'm going back to trigger the fan 1 to see if the fan 1 is working correct. The fan 1 is running perfect. So the problem is fan 2. So it's a wiring issues. I'm going to make sure all the fuses are okay. So here is to test all the fuses to make sure the fuses are perfect. You know what, take your time. There's a lot of fuses, by the way, but you need to be very careful so that no fuse is left. So the fuses are okay. So after realizing the fuse is okay, I went back to the controller so that we can test the ignition. This is the culprit, socket 2. Let me try to test. There's no any ignition. Let me go to socket 1. Socket 1 has ignition. Let me show you the color code of that ignition wire. See, is a yellow one. It has ignition. So let me go back to the socket 2. The wire color code is red. See, doesn't have ignition. So here the suspect is we have an open circuit. So I had to go through that wire, through fuse box, through harness. See, then I found out we have an extra relay box under the headlight, the left headlight. So this is the two relays, the relay that control those two fans. This is the first relay and this is the second relay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test if there is constant. The relay 1 has constant, the relay 2 doesn't have a constant. A constant means there is power when the ignition is off. So there is a power when ignition is off. That one we don't have. So the problem is I'm going to track that constant wire. It went to fuse box. So I found out that the problem is 40 amp fuse. It was blown. Imagine 40 amp fuse has cost me a lot. Have wasted a lot of time tracking that wire. See, this is the first relay, this is the second relay. Right now I think everything's okay. So I'm going to install back the relays, but I had to test several times to make sure everything's okay. So I had to install back those two relays like that. After that, I went back to check if there is constant ignition. Sorry, right now we have ignition. I think I'm not confusing you. The relay is the one converting the constant power into the ignition power. So right now is ignition, but before the relay is a constant wire. Just so I'm calling that an ignition signal. So after that, I had to install everything back exactly the way it was before, like that. So if you have this kind of problem on your CX5, you can inbox me so that we can help you. So I had to trigger the fan 2 using my dark zone software. The fan to 80%. Let's confirm. Right now it's working perfect. So the fan 2 is working perfect. 40%. Right, see, it's working perfect. Let me go back 1 to 0. Let me go back. See, so after testing, so I had to wait for the temperature to rise. The standard range is between -20 to 120 degrees. Right now it's 99, so I think it's around 21 left. But most of CX5, the temperature normally goes to 101. It's running between 101 and 97 or 98. Right? See, the fans are working perfect. It's 100 temperature. The fan 1 is 30, the fan 2 is 30. See, the fans are working perfect. Let's see the time the fan are going to stop. Still running. 98. Still running. Let's wait and see. 98. So range is okay. It's between 98 and 108. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.